In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick strategy that is going to help you find more matches when you do reverse sourcing and when you do manual sourcing. It's going to help you make it also 10 times faster to find a specific listing on Amazon or to find new potential suppliers for a product that you know. Before we jump into the computer, we have a Discord server, link in the description, best place to meet other people selling on Amazon and best place to ask any questions you may have. So, let's look at this Nike sale that is going on right now on their website. I made a quick video about it like a few days ago. If you know your Nike stuff, you know that, the Nike Court Vision Low is a great shoe. This is the basic colorway. This is pretty easy to find on Amazon, right? But it may not always be the case. By the way, my social media is going to appear over there. Follow me if you want more updates on my life and on selling on Amazon. Best place to do it. So let's just scroll down a little bit and you're going to see, for example, shoes like these that may be popular, but that this is not the most popular, this is not the basic colorway, right? And so finding a listing on Amazon for colorways like these is pretty hard sometimes if you do it the regular way. If you just look for it on Google or on Seller Amp, or I'm sorry, I don't know why this is showing up, or you just click on Seller Amp right there and you're trying to find it. You're not gonna find that specific colorway super fast, right? This is a basic colorway, this is the black and white, this is the gray, and then the other colorways are not showing up. All right, so one easy way to actually find this a listing for these products is to do a reverse image search. All right, so you make a right click on the image and you click search inside image with Google. So it's going to open Google Lens on the right, and I'm sorry, I'm not going to see this. Let me just do this. Here we go. And so by scrolling down a little bit, you are gonna most of the time gonna be able to find a listing on Amazon for that specific product. So here we go. Now, it may not be a great rank. Let's just check. And it's actually not in, it's for India, all right? But you get the idea. It's going to help you a lot by, making it 10 times easier to find the specific. Is that it? Yeah, it looks like this lead is on every marketplace except the US marketplace. But you get the idea. So this is going to make it 10 times easier. Now, you can do the same thing when you start from Amazon, right? So if you are doing reverse sourcing, you find this specific lead, you have a hard time finding it. Like a best way to actually find new website that may carry this product is do the same thing. Search the image with Google Lens, and then you can scroll down and you're gonna see, so let's see, we can skip eBay, but we can see that this product is on Shop WSS. It may not be profitable, but this is just for the sake of the example. It's on Kohl's, it's on Ruse Shoes. That is a website that I do not know, so this is maybe a website that I may want to look at, and so on and so forth, guys. So this strategy is going to help you a lot when it comes to sourcing. It's going to make your life 10 times easier. You're going to find new suppliers, you're going to find new listings, because most of the time, like shoes selling super fast have multiple listings. So try to add this strategy to your bigger strategy to find more potential listing where you can sell your product potentially with lower competition, right? So I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe, like this video, watch these other videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. Link in the description for the Discord, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.